In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and customize your report settings in Salesforce using Dream Efficiency 5303. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to deepen your understanding, stick around and follow along with this detailed guide. First, you'll want to begin by accessing the Salesforce homepage. Make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account and then open up your browser. Enter the URL for Dream Efficiency 5303, lightning.force.com to get started. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a toolbar or menu with various options. The next step is to locate and click on Quick Settings. This will allow you to adjust a number of preferences and settings quickly without diving deep into the more comprehensive setup options. You'll find the Quick Settings icon or link typically at the top right of your screen. Click on it to proceed. Following that, you will want to click on the Open Advanced Setup option. Advanced Setup provides you with a more granular control of the settings within Salesforce. This will lead you to a new page or section where you can refine your configurations. Once you're in the Advanced Setup section, your next action is to interact with the Quick Find box. It's a search bar that helps you easily locate specific settings or features within the Salesforce platform without having to scroll through numerous menus. Type report types into the Quick Find box. This is crucial as you're customizing your reports to better suit your needs or the needs of your business. Once you've typed in report types, you'll see it pop up in the list. Go ahead and click on it. After you're directed to the Report Types section, choose a report label from the list of available reports. Take your time in reviewing these to ensure that you're selecting the one that best fits your data analysis needs. After making your choice, click on the label to access its specifics. Now, navigate to the Fields Available for Reports tab. Here you can click on Edit Layout to start tailoring the report. This step allows you to modify or customize the fields present in your report, offering greater precision and relevance in your data analysis. Look for and select Add Fields Related via Lookup as your next step. This feature lets you expand the dataset of your report by integrating additional fields that may be related or helpful for thorough analytics. As you select fields, remember to review the options and choose wisely. Think about what information you'd like to pull and report on, as this will ensure your reports are as informative as possible. When you've chosen the desired fields, click on the checkbox next to each field you wish to add. This step confirms your selection and prepares the system for the final stages of the customization process. To complete this procedure, press OK to confirm your field selections, and then click on Save to solidify all the changes you've made. By saving, you ensure your tailored report settings are maintained and ready for use in your next sessions or analysis. With that, you've successfully customized your report settings in Salesforce using Dream Efficiency 5303. Replay these steps anytime you need to refine your reporting process. Thank you for watching, and happy reporting.